Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic which has been taking part in India. So today I am going to talk about none other than the coronavirus cases and its lockdown. So before entering into the topic, I would like to say that nice, wow. You may ask why I have done that. Did we all achieve something? No, I did. My channel did not achieve anything, but India achieved one thing, which is nothing but the number of active cases has gone up very high and set a new record. So the number of active cases according to today is 1,45,000 cases. So we have the number of active cases till now is 1,45,000, which is the highest number of active cases compared to last year. So as you all know, India has been going into a lockdown part by part. We cannot say a complete lockdown, but partial lockdown has been implemented in various states, including Karnataka. So if you see in Bangalore, the section 144 has been implemented, like partially. For example, no gyms, no swimming pool, no entertainment parks, and no cinema theaters, everything will be closed. So like that, many states had been going under the lockdown. Similarly, even Tamil Nadu has implemented a new set of lockdown or restrictions which will be implemented from April 10th. So I am going to tell you about the interesting facts about this lockdown. So let me come from the first. So the first interesting fact about this restriction is no religion and festival congregation will take place from April 10th to April 30th. And not only that, all religion and worship places such as church, mosque and masjid will be functioning till 8 p.m. only. It will be closed after that. So this is the first interesting fact. The second interesting fact is nothing but the Coimbatore market in Chennai, all the fruit and vegetable shops will be closed. Particularly the small vegetable and fruit shop will be closed. The third interesting fact is nothing but the people who and all are traveling in buses between cities and within the cities will be reduced. Why? Because the third fact is nothing but no standing in private and public buses will be allowed during the travel. So the seating people who are traveling to other places only will be allowed. The fourth interesting fact is nothing but only 50% of the people will be allowed inside the restaurant and tea shops. And not only that, only 50% of the people will be allowed inside a mall, inside a cinema theaters, inside amusement park, and so on. And not only that, as I said earlier, only 50% of the restaurants will be allowed. Not more than that will be allowed, but this malls, restaurant and amusement park and all will be allowed to operate till 11 p.m. And not only that, the sixth interesting fact is only 100 guests will be allowed to attend the wedding function. And the seventh interesting fact is only 50 persons will be allowed to attend the funeral function. So, not only that, the eighth interesting topic or the eighth interesting fact is only 2 persons and a driver are allowed to travel inside a auto rickshaw. So, apart from driver, only 2 passengers will be allowed to travel in an auto rickshaw. And not only that, all social, political, academic, sports, and other functions. In that, only 200 people are allowed. Not more than that are allowed. So these are the lockdown restrictions which will be followed from April 10th to April 30th. So, on my opinion, there is no doubt that this is going to increase and this will continue until next month. Why? Because even in Maharashtra, where the highest number of cases has been recorded, has implemented night curfew and section 144. So I am pretty damn sure that because of this lockdown and restriction, the economy of India will be getting worse. There is no doubt about it. And not only that, almost all the states have implemented lockdown like this. Even in Maharashtra, as I said, weekend night curfew has also been implemented, and even on Sundays they have imposed lockdown. So India has gone from better to worst. So this is the small update which I like to give you. So we have to wait for the best, which means we have to hope for the sooner recovery. Why? Because if this continues, then there is no doubt that each and every business will go under a loss. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and tell me and on what video I should make next. And before ending this video, I also like to tell that we are in a race of reaching the 100 subscribers by April end. So please guys, please help me with that, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.